Hello everyone. We will explore one more micro niche today. So let me get started with the details. The micro niche that I am going to talk today is about sewing. So there is a lot of scope to write informational content as well as the products associated with this particular micro niche. So let's explore more details related to this, and as we normally do, let me do the 5-factor validation for this particular micro niche as well and share the details with all of you. So here are the 5-factor validations. What we are going to cover in this particular video is we will explore the details related to the difficulty and competition also for the keywords associated with this particular micro niche. Then we are also going to verify the search volumes. We will check what is the scope to write more content associated with this particular micro niche. And then the most important thing, fourth point is, do we have any website with low domain authority still performing well related to this particular micro niche? And final point is, how is the earning potential? We will check basically the traffic value of the site or reference site, and then estimate roughly what would be the earning potential. These are the 5 things that we are going to cover in this particular video. So let's get started. First, let's explore the keyword first validation, basically the keyword difficulty and competition. So you can see straight away it shows the sewing itself is hard to rank, but let's explore more details. So if we look at all the keywords associated with this, we got almost millions of keywords. So normally what we normally do is, you can see there is an attribute here, there is a label, something called KD. KD stands for keyword difficulty. Lesser is always better. So for the new sites, I always suggest just look at how many keywords are there with the difficulty less than 20. So let's apply that particular filter and let's see how many keywords will appear. So basically all these are the keywords that are having the difficulty less than lower difficulty comparatively or relatively. So you can see here with difficulty less than 20, you found there are about nearly 27k keywords appeared, right? So that's a good sign. So that means there are enough number of keywords with lower difficulty or lower competition. So that's what the first validation is all about. It's true. Now the second validation is search volume. So we also want to see how is the search volume for all the keywords that we filtered based on the competition. If we look at the volumes of all these keywords, so you can see the starting with about a 40k. The first keyword with the difficulty 1 having a search volume of 40k is itself basically is a very positive signal. But anyway, let's check the remaining things also. So in the first page, the last keyword has about 2.8k. So typically what I normally consider is, if entire first page all the keywords are having a volume of more than 1000, I normally consider it as a positive signal. Here if you see, almost all the keywords are having more than nearly 3k and above in the first page itself. So that's a positive signal. That means already all the keywords with the low difficulty are also having the good search volume. The second validation is also true. Now the third validation is scope for content. When you want to pick up any particular micro niche, while you verify the number of topics or keywords available with low difficulty, you also need to ensure is there enough scope to write the content, because if you just publish about 40-50 articles then get exhausted, it won't help you. You should plan at least to publish about 100-200 articles, minimum 100, more is always good. So how we normally do is, this is again a sign, an indication only. When you do an analysis, you will actually discover many keywords, lot more opportunities. So a simple way of doing it is, already we filtered the keywords based on the difficulty less than 20. Let's also apply one more filter. You can see one more label here, something called volume. Volume stands for number of times this particular keyword has been searched on an average online. So for example, sewing machine repair has been searched for about 40k times on an average per month. That's what volume is all about. So what we will do is, we will apply this filter. We will look for the keywords with minimum search volume of 500 per month. So let's apply this filter. So this result gives you the list of keywords with the difficulty less than 20 and also minimum search volume of 500. So you already found about 336 keywords. So these are all potential topics for you to publish the content. But again, I always suggest once you get this list of keywords, you do a manual analysis also. I created a video on and for Android keywords. You follow that particular process. If you have not checked that video, please go and check it out. Then finally pick the keywords for which you want to write the content. So you also need to notice that we filtered these keywords based on the minimum volume of 500. But when you start a new site, you can actually go further lower also. You can start from 0 volume keywords onwards. So that means you will get thousands of keywords. So this indicates that there is a huge potential to write the content. That means a third validation, scope for content, is also true for this particular micro niche. That's a positive signal. Now the fourth one, very important point. So how is the reference site? Is there any site built on this particular micro niche with low domain authority performing well? So after some analysis, I discovered one site that is built on this particular micro niche and performing well. If you see, here is the site, sovorbit.com. So let's do some data analysis related to this particular website. Let me pick it up and then go to Site Explorer. Just key in this particular URL and let's see how the data looks like. You can straight away see the one important label that I always notice when I analyze any site is DR. DR stands for domain rating, domain ranking. In other tools, there is something called domain authority. Basically, if it is an established branded site, normally DR will be high. For example, for Facebook, Twitter, CNN, all these kind of sites will have a DR of above 90. But when you start a new site now, your DR will start from 0, none. So that means when you are looking at a reference site, you should look for a sites with a low DR. That means the content, the niche has very good potential to perform even though the sites are relatively new. That's what the indication is all about. The DR is 7, very good. So that means there is a potential for the new site also to perform well if we publish good content. And the other attributes that I normally look for is, one is the organic keywords. Organic keywords is nothing but on an average per month for how many different search terms this particular site is appearing on search engines organically. So that's supposedly 14.5k, good volume, good number. And third one is organic traffic. That means for how many number of people visiting this particular website through search engines by searching organically, 17.5k. Both the numbers look very attractive, good. So all three attributes, domain authority, domain ranking, organic keywords and organic traffic, all this combination looks very positive. So that means our fourth validation is also true. So we already verified a site, reference website built on this particular micro niche. Though domain rating is low, the performance looks very good. So the last validation is earning potential. Finally, at the end of the we create this niche website to make some money. So let's verify how is the potential, earning potential for this particular micro niche. The typical way how I normally validate this is, I look at the reference site I picked up and see the traffic value. So if traffic value is high, then the potential is high. So I don't want to get into the definition of traffic value here. So my main intention of this is, whatever the traffic value shown in this particular tool, even if you consider about a 10% of it, if it looks attractive, this is a worthwhile, basically worth picking niche. So why I am telling this is, I have seen numerous examples where whatever the number it has shown here, the other sites actually earning even not 10%, 20%, 30% very easily. Even my own site, when I looked at the reference site, it was basically at about 6k, 7k, whereas I am almost now earning more than $1,000. So there is some statistical analysis for this, at least some kind of a structural analysis, and for me to pick up this analogy. So what I normally do is, this tool shows you about a 10.1k traffic value. Just consider about a 10% of it. Even if you consider about a 10% of it, it is $1,010. So if you build a new site on this particular niche, you have very good possibility or a very good opportunity to earn minimum of about $1,010. That's what basically message from here. So if the traffic value is too low, I normally don't consider it. If it is about, let's say, $200, $300. So but if you see with this such a low domain authority, if the traffic value is showing 10.1, so earning a 10% of that traffic value shown here is not so difficult, if even if you start a new website on this particular micro niche and publish lot of high quality content. Please make a note, these two are very important. You need to do a good keyword research and also publish good content. So that means this niche has the good earning potential, also basically looks very good for this particular micro niche. You can see because traffic value is looking very high for the reference site we picked up. So fifth validation is also true. So all the validations are true. So perfect micro niche. And I also looked at some of the products values are very high. So that means your affiliate commissions also going to be high. The only thing is you need to basically do a good analysis with respect to the keyword research as well as producing high quality content. You can have a quick look at the site that we picked up. You can see lot of informational content. So DIY, then you can see the sewing tutorials, then guides and all that. So don't just pounce on writing the best 5 machines, best that and all this. That may not really work. But if you focus more on informational and a mix of informational and buyer intent, this looks to be very attractive micro niche. If you have any kind of an interest related to some niche associated with this, you can actually go ahead and pick it up. But once again, I want to tell you, focus on a quality keyword research and also producing the high quality content. Don't again blindly go with basically the whatever keywords has been that are appearing here. So you pick up all these keywords and please perform a manual analysis and then pick up the final keyword and go ahead and produce high quality content. For sure, basically you will be able to see good results very soon. So that's all for today. Hope you like the content. If you have any questions, please ask in comment section. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.